50 sentences using the word among.
She was chosen among the best candidates for the job.
The red rose stood out among the white ones.
He felt a sense of belonging among his friends.
Among the options, I prefer the chocolate ice cream.
The cat hid among the tall grass.
She found her lost necklace among her jewelry.
Among the stars, the moon shone the brightest.
He discovered a rare coin among his old possessions.
Among the books on the shelf, that one is my favorite.
The song played softly among the sounds of nature.
She felt a deep sense of peace among the mountains.
Among the spices, cumin gives the dish its unique flavor.
He excelled among his classmates in mathematics.
The secret was carefully hidden among the pages of the diary.
Among the fruits, I like apples the most.
She found comfort among the familiar faces.
He discovered a hidden passage among the ancient ruins.
Among the chaos, there was a moment of silence.
The diamond sparkled among the other gems.
She found the missing puzzle piece among the scattered ones.
Among the guests, her smile was the warmest.
He always felt safe among his family.
Among the colors, red is the most vibrant.
She found inspiration among the works of great artists.
Among the movies, that one is a classic.
He found a peaceful spot among the noisy crowd.
Among the planets, Earth is the only one with life.
She discovered a rare bird species among the trees.
He was the youngest among his siblings.
Among the seasons, I love spring the most.
She stood out among her peers with her talent.
Among the sweets, chocolate is my weakness.
He found a hidden treasure among the rocks.
Among the recipes, this one is the easiest to make.
She felt a sense of unity among the diverse group.
Among the clouds, the sun broke through.
He found clarity among the chaos of his thoughts.
Among the flowers, the rose is the queen.
She discovered a rare seashell among the pebbles.
Among the animals, dogs are known for their loyalty.
He was the tallest among his friends.
Among the choices, the blue dress is the prettiest.
She found a quiet moment of reflection among the hustle and bustle.
Among the constellations, Orion is easy to spot.
He discovered a hidden talent among his interests.
Among the words, some carry deep meaning.
She found a peaceful retreat among the mountains.
Among the instruments, the violin is my favorite.
He found a sense of purpose among his experiences.
Among the challenges, there are opportunities for growth.